Join me as I challenge myself to find and test the top 3 protein rich foods that you need in your diet. Protein is an essential nutrient for our bodies, playing a critical role in building and repairing muscles, organs, and tissues. Without enough protein, our bodies can't function properly, leading to fatigue, weakness, and even hair loss. For those who are fitness enthusiasts or just health conscious, while others believe that it's hard to get enough protein from plant-based sources. The truth is protein is for everyone, and there are plenty of options available whether you are a meat lover or a vegan. Another common challenge is the idea that protein is expensive or hard to incorporate into our meals. I used to think that too, but I have discovered that there are plenty of affordable and easy to prepare protein sources that can be added to our daily meals. From eggs to Greek yogurt and from chicken to lentils, the options are endless. Some people also worry about getting too much protein, while others worry about not getting enough. The key is to find a balance that works for you and your lifestyle. So, how do we navigate the world of protein and make informed choices about our diet? When it comes to the protein rich foods, there are many options to choose from, but I have narrowed it down to my top 3 favorites. Coming in at number 3, we have salmon. This fatty fish is packed with protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various essential vitamins and minerals. Not only is it great for heart health, but it's also easy to grill or bake and or add to your meals. At number 2, we have Greek yogurt. This versatile food is high in protein, calcium and probiotics, making it perfect for digestive health and muscle recovery. I love adding it to my smoothies, oatmeal or just eating it on its own as a snack. At number 1, we have eggs. These tiny powerhouses are packed with protein, vitamins and minerals, making them an excellent addition to any meal. Whether you like them scrambled, fried or poached, eggs are a great way to boost your protein intake. But here's a surprising fact. Did you know that eggs are also a great source of choline, a nutrient that is essential for brain function and metabolism? In fact, eggs are one of the richest sources of choline, making them an even more valuable addition to your diet. Choline is often overlooked, but it's crucial for cognitive function and many people don't get enough of it in their diet. So next time you are thinking of making breakfast, consider adding eggs to your plate. Incorporating these 3 foods into your diet can have a significant impact on your overall health and fitness. Whether you are looking to build muscle, lose weight, or just feel more energized, these protein-rich foods are a great place to start. In conclusion, the top 3 protein-rich foods that you need in your diet are salmon, Greek yogurt, or eggs. These foods are not only packed with protein but also offer a range of other benefits from heart health to digestive well-being. So what's your favorite protein source? Let me know in the comments below. If you are new here, consider subscribing for more nutrient tips, recipes and challenges. I would love to have you join our community and help you achieve your health and fitness goals. Thank you.